Merry Christmas at Home Depot. Let's see what all they got. Let's see, y'all. These are $19.98 for these candy canes. They don't light up. I thought they lit up. $19.98 for those. I love Christmas. Look at this wreath. They're only $14.98. That's a good price for this. 20-inch wreath, mesh wreath with Merry Christmas sign. Only thing is missing is that it don't sing. Look at this one. This one's definitely giving Grinch, y'all. $14.98 for that one. Merry Christmas. Let's go look at the animatronics. Got Santa Claus. Got those big ones for those big old trees. Those are $12.98. $9.98 for the 44-inch jumbo tinsel candy cane. Which I know they got these at Dollar Tree. These may be bigger than the ones at Dollar Tree. Maybe, but I'm really not sure. Of course, they got these signs. Hobby Lobby has these too. Those Grinch signs, they're $19.98. And they got Jack Skellington. I know when my kid sees this that she's gonna want that. Y'all, look at this. So I saw one at Home store that does that, and that is so cute. Somebody come save Rudolph. They got the lights, of course, the string lights. They're $32.98. Y'all let me know if y'all put up lights. Like, what all Christmas decorations do y'all put up? Look at the present archway, y'all. That is $179 for that present archway. I just feel like I need it. And there's too much to just take in right now, so I'm gonna calm down for a minute. Yeah, because I will show y'all absolutely nothing and just be running through this store. $29.98 for those Yuletide Lane twinkling LED snowflakes, and those are 3-pack. Oh, those are 3-pack, and all of them are $29.98 each for those. And they're 10 inches, so I feel like that's like big enough. You can hang that outside on your porch. They got, of course, all the Christmas lights. I'm always here for Christmas trees and animatronics. All your sweaters are ugly. Oh, Jesus. Why did my laugh just sound like the Grinch? Gotta love all the animatronics. Now, I'm here also to see this tree that y'all tripping about. And I say tripping because I seen the price on that thing. What are y'all doing? Paying $700 for a tree. You get it off season, homies. Get it off season. Save that money so y'all can buy all the Christmas. Oh God, that scared the mess out of me, y'all. Devil be gone. Anyhow, this one right here to me is a lot prettier than that one that I've been seeing online. This one's $500. It's a Kenwood flocked Fraser fur. Oh, that is so pretty, y'all. That is beautiful. I think so. Women, our problem is we would get something like this, knowing we got 6-foot ceilings. Be like, maybe we can make it fit. By women, I mean men. So, which tree is it, y'all? Is it? I don't know. All of them look the same to me. Wait, I seen something about balls, and maybe it's this one. This one is $349. So the taller they get, the more expensive they get, of course. There's a little 12-inch one. That one is $60, and it's only available online at Home Depot's website. What up, Santa? But that one is my favorite so far. $2.99. Now, I've seen the tree sing, and I've seen the tree had, but it was like white lights on that tree. So maybe this ain't it. Y'all let me know which one of these trees it is. Let me see. I'm gonna do a system. Is it A? Is that one? Is it? I know it's not that one because the lights actually change colors. Is it B? That one's $2.99. Ooh, I like that one. I don't think it's this one though. Is it C? That one is also $2.99. That is so pretty. I love those flocked trees. But at those prices, I think we're all flopped. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty, y'all. I love animatronics. Santa, don't do that. That was unnecessary. Santa waited right till I passed by him to do that.
I have a feeling I know what you'd like for Christmas.
Dude.
But you'll just have to wait and see what gifts await you on that magical morning.
Aww.
Now, shall we add more festive cheer?
Yeah.
Hurry and grab the garland and tinsel for this next song.
$1.99.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la
Alright, bye Santa. I like the ornament stack. That's $1.99 for that. It is huge. You can make your own like winter wonderland, right? That one is $3.99. It could be that one, y'all. That thing is 9 feet tall. Y'all got some tall ceilings in y'all's house. I want tall ceilings too, but I ain't got that right now. But this is so pretty. This ornament archway, it is $2.49 for that. Y'all. Oh, look. What is these? I am a button pusher. Y'all have been warned. Okay? Santa, stop, collaborate, and listen. Oh, it's so cute. I know he sings. I'll have to come back and record him. Let's go see what this devil got going on over here. Looking scared. I thought it was Halloween. What are you doing? That one is $1.99. But you know what? That just gave me an idea. Y'all probably could turn some of your Christmas or Halloween decorations into Christmas decorations by doing it like this. For everybody who's like tired of seeing Christmas stuff and it was before Halloween, this right here is for y'all, and it is $1.99 for that, y'all. What is this? 3D glasses, try on a pair. I'm not a germaphobe, but something telling me don't touch that. Maybe it's my mama's voice in the back of my head telling me don't be touching stuff in this store. Got the 6-inch animated Grinch. What does he do? What does he do? I don't know what the Grinch does. I know somebody has this. I'm gonna have to get on TikTok and find what the Grinch does, because I know one of y'all got that Grinch. Y'all want to go press some buttons on some things? Let's go down here and see what else they got, and then we'll come back and press some buttons. Got some more of those real pretty trees, but again, y'all comment. This is what, D or E? I don't know. If y'all see the tree that everybody's looking for, y'all comment and let me know. Looks like they got some really pretty. Oh look, they got some stuff. Oh, I love this. Socks. What? $7.88. These are so cute. Those look so cozy too. $7.88. I love the Cookie Monster socks. I shall resist, but I really do want those. I really, really want those. They got some more yard decor, Christmas yard decor at Home Depot. I used to love going to my aunt's house at Christmas. She had the best Christmas decorations. Now, she shops at Belk's and gets most of hers, and she gets stuff after the holidays, which is where I learned a lot of my shopping habits from, finding deals and stuff after the holidays. I really want to know what Oh God does. The animated Grinch that we saw earlier, I wonder what he does. He must not be plugged up or something. I don't think he's plugged up. Or maybe he is. Don't worry, y'all. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I don't know what he does. Wave my hand. Nope. How do you make him do stuff? I don't know. I really want to see what he does. But all of these are super cute, y'all. Let's listen to this thing. Listen. Brand new invention. Get it. Get it. Shoulder. Shoulder. Go, Frosty. Go, Frosty. Ice, ice, baby. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Let's see him skate, y'all. Let's see if we can make him skate. Is it all gone? Oh, his batteries don't work. Is there another one up there that skates? This must be one of those things that's popular. One of them. Wait a minute. Santa rides a bike. Wait, maybe he skates. Y'all want to see if he skates? I do. Let's see. They must have turned him off, or somebody didn't use his batteries up. Somebody like me who pushes all the buttons. Let's see. I don't see another one. Let's see something, y'all. Wait a minute. Why does it say please keep toy away from hair? It says try me though. Let's see. Try me. It says try me, and I'm trying to try. It don't work. somebody made his batteries go dead. Poor little Frosty. Poor Frosty. He probably got tired of people coming in here playing with him. Santa Claus. Cut it out. Scared the mess out of me again. I'm all here for this, y'all. The Nutcracker. My little girl is gonna be in the Nutcracker play next month. Yes, next month. It's already December, y'all. I mean November, y'all. What the world? I just went and got my Starbucks holiday drink. I got a frozen peppermint mocha. I should have got a hot, but oh, they got the white tree up there. Let's go see how much that white tree is, y'all. Santa, you just loud. Just loud for no reason. Let us go and see how much that tree is over there because, oh wait, there it is. It's $179. We'll go over there on that side so I can see. So it looks like they got some more animatronics and stuff down here. $34.98. That's an interesting looking little thing. I don't think that's the Grinch. That's his little sister. That's a good price for it. Wait a minute. What? $49 each. 6.5 foot pre-lit tree. And it's a full tree too. That's a good price for that. Let's see what it does. So it's pre-lit. Festive time. And I think it has the color changing lights on all of them. From what I can tell, it has color changing lights on all of those. Let's go back this way and see what else they got. We looked at those. Showed you guys all the outdoor decor that they got. That's a nativity scene. $149 for that nativity scene. All of this stuff is stuff that we don't need, but it just brings such joy, and I want it. I really, really want it. Let's go see how much this tree is. I got a wreath. Okay, here's the outdoor winter spruce. The pre-lit tree is $179 for that spruce that I showed y'all. You're just fine. And there's the animated Grinch. I really want to see what he does. Wait, it told me to do it, and it doesn't work. Let's see what this one is.
Enjoy the festivities, you will. My ally is joy, and a powerful ally it is.
Can't hear because Santa loud self over there.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New